The furniture manufacturing industry produces a large amount of waste solvents such as benzene, toluene, xylene, acetone, ethyl acetate, etc. during the production process. These waste solvents have the characteristics of being flammable, volatile and toxic, which, if left untreated, will cause serious harm to the environment and human health. Hongi waste solvent distillation recovery system is a kind of equipment that uses the principle of heating distillation to evaporate the solvents in waste solvents, and then recovers them by condensation through the cooling system. The recovery rate of waste solvent distillation recovery system is generally more than 95%. Furniture manufacturing industry cleaning with the application of waste solvent distillation recovery system can effectively reduce the emissions of waste solvents to protect the environment. Furniture manufacturing enterprise using waste solvent distillation recovery system, the annual recovery of waste solvent 200 tons, reducing waste solvent emissions of 200 tons, saving solvent costs of 1 million yuan.